Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Arun Kumar and I am again in front of you. And today I have brought another interesting topic, another interesting thing in front of you, like regarding certification, regarding Azure certification. Like many people ask that which certification I should do, uh, what is the path or what is the syllabus which I should follow to clear that certification, from which section, how much percentage of questions are asked. With all these details I have come up today. Okay, I'm going to show you Azure Microsoft link, website link where you'll be finding all these details. Whichever certification you are interested, you can go and start searching on that, and you can get all details from the link which I am going to share just now. All details regarding that certification, and I hope that this information which I'm going to share in this video will be very helpful to you. That the link which I'm going to share contains very structured format of all the syllabus, that what all things will be asked in the certification exam, from which section how much percentage of questions will be asked. Those certifications are targeted for what kind of candidates, like data professionals or web designers. It means for what kind of professionals which certification is good to go. So we'll be seeing all those things. Okay. So just let's go to our screen, and as you can see, I have found out a link, a Microsoft link, and this link is of Microsoft Learn. And here, as you can see, we have this study guides option. Multiple things are here. Here this study guides option is here, present here. And in this study guides, we have study guides for many certification exams that Microsoft conducts. And if you are interested in any of the certification, you can go through the study guide of that particular certification. Like suppose if I want to do AZ 900 certification, what I will do, I will just click here, and like AZ 900 is for Microsoft Azure Fundamental. This examination is for Microsoft Azure Fundamental. And if you see here, we have many sections like purpose of this document. So if I take you through this, like this study guide should help you understand what to expect on exam, includes a summary of topics of exam might cover, and links to additional resources. Like it also contains links to additional resources. Like if you are a guy who wants to do the certification by self study, then there are links also in this documentation which you can refer and prepare for your certificate examination. Let's proceed further and let's see that what all things it contains. Like first of all, like let's start from here. Like skills measured as of January 2023. So these were the skills that is being measured up to this date. Okay, after this date there might be change in the syllabus. So these are the topics that will be covered in this syllabus. And if we see the skills at a glance, that then these are the percentage of topics around which questions will be revolving in your certification examination. So you need to focus focus on these topics, okay, based on the percentage of questions that will be asked around those topics. And if we talk about like the first skills that it is trying to cover is describe cloud concepts. If we take the details of like what all further subtopics will be asked in this describe cloud concepts topic, then these are the subtopics like describe cloud computing. And in this describe cloud computing, there are multiple further subtopics that you need to cover, like describe cloud computing, describe the shared responsibility model, describe cloud model including private, public, and hybrid, identify appropriate use case for each model. So all those topics, all those subtopics are present here. This is another topic, and these are another subtopics, and these are subtopics and that subtopics that you need to cover. Let's quickly go ahead and let's see another heading that is present in this documentation, that is study resources. This study resources contains the resources which you can refer while you will be preparing for your certification. So if here here there is something called get trained, and these are choose from the self-paced learning paths and modules, or take instructor led courses. Okay, so if I click here, if I take you to this page, let me show you. Okay, you see these are nothing but self-paced self-paced courses. Like if you are looking for self-study, you can just go through these links, and you can start covering the topics. These self-paced course are made by Microsoft itself, so there can be nothing better than these official documents or contents that Microsoft has prepared for preparing you to for that particular certification. So as you can see, we have two ways to prepare. One is called self-paced preparation, and another is called instructor-led training. Okay. So in this what happens, uh, any instructor from Microsoft comes to give training to candidates. Okay. Let's go to self-paced only, because most of us will be using this self-paced learning module to to get ourselves trained on these certifications. So these are further subtop. I mean, this is the place where you can find all the suitable material that will be required for your learning. Now, now we have something called change log. Okay, and this change log is showing that, like you can see, like skills area prior to January 23 24, and skills area as of January 23 24. It means these are the skills area that was being measured before this date, and after this date these skills will be measured. So as we can see, there is a change column that is present. In this change column, it is written that no change has been made in the syllabus. So if there is any change mentioned, it means in that particular topic some changes has been done in the syllabus. So here there is no changes that has been done, and here it is showing skills measured prior to January 2023 24. It means before this date what all skills were being measured. And uh, sorry, I miscommunicated here at the beginning. It is the skills measured as of January 23 24. It means it is the skills measured from this date. Okay, from this date or after this date. So these are the ways in which these documents has been designed. Let's look at another certification details. Like suppose you want to do DP 203 certifications. That is for, let me open that. That is for data engineering. Okay, this is data engineering certification on Microsoft Azure. Now, if you want to again do this certification, okay, and if you want to see the syllabus, then you can see these are the syllabus that are present. Like these are the sections from which this much, like 15 to 20% of the questions will be asked from this topic, then 40 to 45% of the questions will be asked from this topic. So in this fashion, it has been like these main topics has been divided into further subtopics, and these further subtopics has been divided into further subtopics. Okay, so all the topics has been given, so you can go through them. You can, while preparing for these certification, you need to take reference from these document, like what all topics are there, and you can start preparing for that. Again, we have this study resources section, in you can which you can choose. And here also two kinds of learning paths are there, either through self study, as you can see, uh, you see self-paced or instructor led. These are the two ways in which you can do your certification. If you choose for self-paced, I mean, Learning paths has been created. You can start reading these documents and prepare for your certification. Similarly, there are many certifications that has been given here. You see, many different kinds of certifications are there. So whatever certification you want to prepare, you can go through these docs, and these docs will be really very helpful to you. I'll be putting the link for this, the URL for this website, I mean this page that I opened in my LinkedIn profile. You can go through that Microsoft page. This you can open this Microsoft page at your end and have a glance over it. It will be really very helpful for you. I've already posted this link in my LinkedIn profile. If you want to connect with me over LinkedIn, you can connect with me. Again, that LinkedIn link will be provided in the description section. And I hope that this video, I mean, this information will really be helpful for you if you really want to clear the certification. If you really like my video and if this video is helpful for you, do like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care.